Welcome back. Staying with the big story that has been breaking on your screens with regards to Vodafone Idea. Ashmit is now joining in with more details on this. Ashmit.
Well, this was clearly an attempt being made by at least two companies, Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea. However, the Supreme Court has come heavily on both. The Supreme Court is of the view that these petitions are entirely misconceived, that these petitions are being filed despite there being very clear, explicit Supreme Court orders which have denied relief earlier, and that this is not something that the apex court will be kind to. This is not something that the Supreme Court will allow, and towards that end has made it abundantly clear that it is rejecting, it is dismissing the application. Now, the reason this is significant is because both these players, Bharti Airtel, but more Vodafone Idea, had made this a plea of last resort, so to speak. Vodafone Idea, we understand, had also made representations to the government seeking some relief. The ominous outlook that Vodafone Idea had given to the government is that if this relief doesn't come their way, then it will result to the company going into NCLT, into insolvency. It cannot survive beyond FY26. Very ominous figures is what Vodafone Idea had shared with the government. And this, they had come to the apex court because the government had said that our hands are tied. We cannot allow the relief on account of previous Supreme Court judgments. And it is a revision of that was sought as a part of this petition. However, the Supreme Court saying that we will have none of it, the petitions being dismissed, and therefore, in a way, trying to close the chapter as far as securing AGR relief from at least the Supreme Court is concerned.
Ashmit, stay on because we also have some reactions lined up as well. Mr. HP Ranina.